Hey guys, so right now I'm literally trying to figure out how to film this tutorial, but I don't have a way to do like an overhead shot. So, okay, hold on, this might be something. So I'm just trying to work with what I have. Let me see. I do it this way. And then if I come across, like for example, boop, 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 but no. Hold on, let me gather some yarn out real quick. Take this. I'm gonna see if this works. This might have to do. Okay. Hey guys, it's me Dezzyloops, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make these really cool squares that I've been using for the Alice cardigan, which is a design that I came up with. All you need is a J-hook, a ruler, some scissors, and let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is take whichever color you're choosing and make a slip knot. Leaving enough tail to sew in the ends. Then you want to chain 20. Two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So what you want to do from the second chain from the hook, you want to yarn over and you want to do a double crochet, which is basically it's basically doing a yarn over, inserting into the stitch, yarn over again, pull through, yarn over once, and yarn over twice. And that right there is a double crochet. So you want to do that for this whole entire row. Meet back up with me and I will show you guys what to do next. So on the last stitch right here, I don't want you guys to do that last yarn over. So you know how usually you do yarn over once, insert yarn over twice, and then yarn over again. Don't do that last yarn over. And what we're going to do is we're going to cut the yarn a little ways right there. So we cut the yarn, then we want to take our next color, and like this you add the new color in, and now that one's complete and we can start on our next row. You want to chain up 2, that doesn't count as a double crochet for the next row, and you want to just repeat the double crochets across each row, always having 20 at the end of each row. And so again, for the end of the row, don't do that last yarn over, and we want to add back the pink color. We're going to continue this for 9 rows, and this should equal you about 5 inches, for example. So this is 5 inches, which is 9 rows for this pattern. Also, a tip is that for these two right here, when you switch the row, you hold it onto it, pull it back, and you kind of graft it into the next row. That way you don't have to weave in ends. And this you can do like every 2 rows. Last row, the 9th row, you can now do the 2 yarn overs to make that double crochet. Then we want to cut the yarn. We want to yarn over and pull through. Tighten. We've created a 5 by 5 inch square, alternating colors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 rows. Now these squares aren't necessarily about being accurate because this is a part of a cardigan set, so they're going to stretch. but I really love these. And I'm honestly thinking about coming up with a design just with all different alternating colors of these striped squares. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope that you liked it. If you did, please comment below another video that you would like to see, any tutorials. I've been crocheting since I was 8 years old. So although I'm not perfect and although I make mistakes, because this, you know, is a hobby that I'm turning into a business, I would just love to share you guys the things that I do know. Please turn on your post notifications so you'll catch when I come out with another video. I have a bunch of different video ideas that I am in the works of making, so please stay tuned for those. And I'm just so excited for this journey, just to give you guys a little bit more insight about Dezzyloops and about the creator behind it, me, Destiny. Yes, I'm very excited to see, you know, what this journey entails, and I just want to thank you guys for coming along with me. Bye.